Things sure look green today. Yes, happy St. Patty's Day. Here is the first pair rolling off the production line. Yes, that's my hands, of Alien Blood Core. It's a little different than the regular blood core. I'll show that in another video. Then here's, well, you've seen watermelon before, those of you who've been here before. And there's also just the regular mint. And then this is a special one going out to Jake's sister. I hadn't used this plastic yet. And then, of course, there's Sindel's handbag and cypress and plenty more. So use the button. Get yours now.